What if I told you that most travelers over 60 aren't losing time at airport security because the TSA is slow, but because of a few packing mistakes no one ever warns you about? Every day, perfectly capable travelers unknowingly trigger extra screening, bag searches, and long delays, while others glide through the exact same checkpoint without stress. And here's the frustrating part. It has nothing to do with luck, status, or traveling more often. It comes down to how TSA reads your bag and what instantly raises red flags on their scanners. In this video, I'm counting down the 10 most common packing mistakes that quietly turn a normal security line into a nightmare, and how seasoned travelers avoid them without buying new luggage or breaking any rules. Mistake number 6 catches even frequent flyers off guard. And mistake number 1 is the fastest way to guarantee a bag search, no matter which airport you're in. If you've ever wondered why the line suddenly slows right when you step up, stay with me, because once you see these mistakes, you'll never pack the same way again. Let's start with number 10. Number 10, overpacking your carry-on like a Tetris champion. Most travelers think stuffing everything into one bag means efficiency. To TSA, it signals the opposite. Overpacked bags are instant red flags because X-ray scanners can't separate dense items. When everything blends into one solid mass, the system can't tell what's safe, triggering manual inspections. Even a tight cluster of metal items like chargers or hair accessories can be enough. Smart travelers pack for visibility, not compression. Think of your carry-on like a drawer, not a vacuum bag. Clear layers help scanners work faster and help you move through security without delays. Number 9, creating a jewelry jungle in your bag. Loose jewelry is a common reason bags get flagged, though airlines rarely mention it. When necklaces, bracelets, and earrings are packed together, they create what TSA calls spaghetti masses on X-ray screens. These tangled metal clusters can resemble detonator wires, turning a quick scan into a manual search in full view. Seasoned travelers keep jewelry separated and organized. Clear compartments make items easy to identify, reducing suspicion before it starts. Number 8, turning your tech into spaghetti soup. Loose cables don't look harmless on X-ray screens. When multiple cords are tangled together, they create visual clutter that often triggers inspection. That's why tech-heavy bags get pulled aside. A quick scan turns into a slow unpacking while agents separate every wire. The solution is minimalism and organization. Fewer cables and clear layout help scanners instantly recognize what they're seeing without guesswork. Number 7, forgetting the liquid rules that actually matter. Everyone knows the 3-1-1 rule, but that's only part of it. TSA treats some solid items as liquids, and this often surprises even experienced travelers. Soft soaps, spreads, thick gels, and dense foods may look solid, but on X-ray, they appear suspicious. Smart travelers keep these items easy to access, so if something is flagged, it can be checked quickly without emptying the entire bag. Number 6, wearing your way into a security nightmare. Your outfit can trigger extra screening without you realizing it. Dense fabrics, bulky accessories, metal parts, and unusual shapes confuse body scanners. Even hairstyles, thick shoes, or heavy materials can register as anomalies. TSA doesn't see fashion, they see shapes and density. Smart travelers dress simple on travel days. Fewer layers, lighter materials, and minimal accessories mean fewer delays. Number 5, burying your electronics like hidden treasure. Burying electronics under clothes and souvenirs is one of TSA's biggest frustrations. When laptops and tablets are hard to reach, the line slows down. On X-ray screens, lithium batteries show up as dense black masses, especially when mixed with other items, almost guaranteeing a manual check. Seasoned travelers keep electronics on top or in a dedicated compartment, so removal is quick and smooth. Number 4, choosing the wrong bag for air travel. Your bag choice shapes your entire security experience. Everyday bags often lack the structure TSA needs for fast screening. Security-friendly bags prioritize layout and visibility, allowing agents to see items instantly and move on. The right bag doesn't just organize your belongings, it shapes how TSA sees everything inside. Number 3. Packing gifts like it's Christmas morning. Wrapped gifts cause problems at airport security. If TSA can't see inside, they will open them. Wrapping paper doesn't stop X-rays, so unclear items get unwrapped and often damaged. Seasoned travelers pack gifts unwrapped or in clear packaging to avoid inspections. Number 2. Packing food like a grocery store explosion. Many foods scan poorly on X-ray. Dense or spreadable items often look suspicious. Nut butters, cheese spreads, sauces, and thick snacks regularly trigger extra screening. When they're buried deep in your bag, inspections take longer. Smart travelers keep these foods separate and easy to access to avoid delays. When multiple dense items are stacked together, they appear as one solid mass on the scanner. That's when bags get pulled aside. Using clear containers, limiting quantities, and placing food near the top of your carry-on can save you several minutes at the checkpoint. Number 1. Bringing too many bags like you're moving house. Nothing frustrates TSA more than travelers juggling too many bags. Loose items slow screening and create chaos. When belongings don't fit cleanly into bins, everything backs up. Seasoned travelers know bag limits and choose luggage that works as one system. Think of your carry-on as a single, organized unit, not a collection of random items. Fewer bags mean fewer bins, faster scanning, and less stress for everyone involved, including you. Bonus insight: every airport plays by different rules. Security procedures vary by airport, country, and even by day. What passes easily in one place may be flagged in another. Seasoned travelers stay flexible and courteous, knowing that TSA agents make the final call. The smartest travelers don't argue with the system, they adapt to it. A calm attitude, clear communication, and a few extra minutes of patience often resolve issues faster than frustration ever will. Remember, security officers are trained to keep everyone safe, and cooperation usually leads to smoother outcomes. If any of these mistakes felt familiar, you're not alone. Most travelers learn the hard way. The good news is that small adjustments in how you pack, dress, and prepare can dramatically improve your airport experience. Over time, these habits become second nature and turn stressful checkpoints into routine steps. Safe travels. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment, hit like, and subscribe. And let me know what travel topic you'd like me to cover next so I can make future videos even more useful for you.